whenever I am called for the stress management sessions for medical students, I tell them one thing, that the entire stress will go away if you start loving studies. You start loving studies, then there is no stress. Right now, what you have done is, this is my studies, that is my torture, and this is my happiness. Going for a movie or sitting with my mobile and scrolling. So you have already separated your torture, and this is. So then every time you think of study, that becomes a stressful affair for you. So best thing is you bring mellow in your studies. Start studying in a nice way. कुछ तो उसमें mnemonics बनाओ, song बनाओ, दूसरे को सुनाओ, and then you start remembering it. That's how I learned, the subject which I teach, human anatomy. It is called as one of the driest subject in the whole medical thing. कि इससे बदतर सब्जेक्ट कोई नहीं है. लोग you ask any doctor what was the worst subject you studied, he will say human anatomy, because उसमें कुछ रस है नहीं. एक तो डेड बॉडीज पे है सब कुछ. At least medicine, surgery, the patient is alive talking to you. Either the whole our department there are dead bodies and us, and then you are working on a dead body is not reacting, and the whole thing is so what I did as an experiment is trying to make it melodious for the students. Like I'll just give a small example of how we can make small things also in life melodious. The capacity of the stomach, when I take these lectures on stomach, the capacity of the stomach at birth, all of us, is 30 ml. Only 30 ml at birth. And that is why in our neighborhood, you must have met across somebody, your sister, your cousin, who gave birth to a child. And when we go to meet them, her eyes are swollen. She says, I am not able to sleep. Why? Because this fellow keeps on getting every 2 hours. Child. Now what happens is, because the child's stomach is only 30 ml. Our test tube in laboratory experiments used to be 10 ml. So it's like 3 test tubes. So 30 ml, and if you see a child, I think brahmacharis may not get a chance to see such a thing, but any small child sleeping in the night, what happens is, he's sleeping and suddenly starts crying, because that 30 ml has passed ahead. And then the mother wakes up, does the breastfeeding, and moment he gains back his sugar level, he said, like a saint, he will sleep for 2 hours. And after 2 hours, so then my students understood, okay, aisa hai kya? We also have heard that the child, then I tell them the importance of our mother. As we grow up, we ignore our mother. We tell her, Mummy, tula kai samjhat nahi, tumko kuch samajhta nahi, tu chup bait. And especially after we become devotees, but we have to remember that throughout the 1 year of our first year of life, our mother has got up every 2 hours for feeding us.